वेलकम बैक टू द चैनल। और आज के इस वीडियो में हम लोग कुछ कॉन्वर्सेशंस सीखेंगे जिसमें पेरेंट्स बच्चों से कैसे बात करें इंग्लिश में। एक मेरी फ्रेंड ने मुझसे कहा कि तुम इस पे एक वीडियो बनाओ, मुझे हेल्प हो जाएगी। एंड आई थॉट इट्स अ वेरी गुड आइडिया, सो आई हैव डिसाइडेड टू कम अप विद द वीडियो ऑन दिस। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट। जब आप अपने बच्चों से इंग्लिश में बात करते हैं तो कुछ कुछ डे टू डे फ्रेजेस हैं, रोजमर्रा के जीवन में हम बहुत सारे सेंटेंसेस यूज करते हैं जिसको हमें कई बार समझ नहीं आता हम इंग्लिश में कैसे बोलें। कुछ बेसिक इंस्ट्रक्शंस हैं, हम कैसे कहें, हम खुद हेजिटेट करते हैं। सो लेट्स लर्न हाउ टू डील विद किड्स व्हेन वी आर कन्वर्सिंग इन इंग्लिश, राइट? So the first one is the first one is asking about their day. So when they are back from the school, we can ask them, how was your day? What all things you did in the school? How did you spend your day with your friends? What did you eat? Did you share your tiffin? Did you ask the teacher? Have you got any homework? Did you enjoy your school? What were your friends talking? What did you do the whole day? While giving instructions, we will say, hurry up when they are a bit slow, when they are not getting ready too quickly. Quickly, get ready. एक छोटी सी आवाज जब बच्चे स्कूल के लिए धीरे धीरे काम कर रहे हो, don't touch that. You are not supposed to touch it. We are outside. So giving small instructions when you are out with your children in a party, at somebody's house, or somewhere where they should follow the good manners. So it's like, don't touch that, walk slowly, don't run. I often see that when we go to the Gurudwara or a temple, the children are running, making a lot of noise. So we should give subtle instructions. Don't touch, don't run, sit nicely. Okay, so it's very important to help the children also to learn basic things, and it's the responsibility of the parents. It's time to go to sleep. It's a sleeping time. It's a bedtime. Let's get ready. And don't forget, before going to bed, brush your teeth. Now when you're scolding, this is something we do it every day, and we have to, some or the other thing comes up, and we have to tell the children. So when somebody comes, we can say, be nice to Mrs. Sharma, don't nag, do not disrespect. So we can say, be nice to her, be nice to your cousin, be nice to your sister, do not touch or hit her. Be a good boy, be a good girl, don't do that, it's not nice, don't do this. So simple instructions will help them. Don't speak to your cousins like that. Be polite. Don't be rude. Calm down. Don't get angry. When you have to show your concern to your children, we can say, do you have fever? Are you under the weather? Are you unwell? Do you have pain in the legs? Where did you get it hurt? How did you get this? How did you hurt yourself? Now, after some time, if your child is feeling better, or you just want to inquire, how are you feeling now? How are you? Are you feeling better? And if your child is looking upset, not happy, angry, you can ask, did something happen? Is everything all right? Simple sentences will help you to speak everyday English. Now it's bedtime, so we can ask them, come on, let's go to sleep, brush your teeth. We have to wake up early in the morning, sleep tight and sweet dreams. Always give a good night kiss to your children. It's time to wake up. Simple instructions. While playing, you can say, Close your eyes and count till 10. What do you want to play today? Which games should we play today? Let's have a piggyback ride. Let's have a piggyback ride. You beat me again. Oh, you are too good at this game. I can't beat you. You are a fantastic player. You do it so well. While eating, we have to keep giving instructions to the children. So again, let's learn few simple phrases and sentences. Take small bites. Chew your food properly. Have your breakfast. Your breakfast is ready. Your dinner is ready. Don't talk while the food is in your mouth. And empty your plate. Keep the plate in the kitchen. Can you get me a glass of water, please? Take small bites. Have some more. Take more bites. Would you like to have some more? Clean your plate. Keep this plate in the kitchen. Now it's study time. So let's say, have you done your homework? Is your homework complete? What homework have you got today? Do you need any help in your studies? Can I help you in your maths? Let me listen to your tables. Did you have fun? So these are the simple ways where you can instruct your children in English. My dear friends and viewers, we all love our children. We want to give them the best. इसलिए उनके साथ एक अच्छा बॉन्ड जरूर बनाइए, उनके साथ बहुत अच्छे से बात करिए, और सिर्फ उन्हीं के साथ नहीं, जब आपके बच्चे औरों के साथ भी होते हैं या जब आप औरों के साथ होते हो, आपको बच्चे तब भी देख रहे होते हैं. So be polite and kind most of the time whenever you can. Thank you. Have a beautiful day. Happy learning.